Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. So, on this device we don't need any kind of tool. As you can see, we have a toolless little tray right here, so all you need to have is a fingernail, or if you don't have a strong fingernail, then maybe use something that can wedge in here and just kind of pry it out. Coincidentally, a eject tool like this one will also work, just the other way around. So you just kind of like wedge it in here and push it out. But obviously you can use your fingernail to do that as well. Now once you take it out, it looks like we can also use a SD card on here. So I'm actually gonna grab one. There we go. So on the front side, when you take it out, you will have space for your SIM card, and on the back side you will have space for your SD card, and this doesn't seem to be doubling as another SIM tray. So let's place it with the chip side up like this. The card should clip into place, so when you flip it over it will not fall out. There we go, and that's how you place your SD card. And now we can insert it back into our device. Now just gonna make sure. As you can see, it's kind of popping out. Anyway, hopefully it won't be protruding in any way. So let's insert it back into our phone. As you can see, it's already looking for reception, and it already detected the SD card. So there we go. That is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this device. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.